Welcome to Fluent Phonics. Today, we will learn how to pronounce the word synchronizers. 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 Here's an example of how one might use it in a sentence. The engineers worked diligently to fine-tune the synchronizers in the transmission to ensure smooth shifting. Synchronizers are mechanical devices that help coordinate the speed of two rotating components, such as gears, to enable smooth engagement. Thank you for your time. If you enjoyed this, please like and subscribe for further content.